So heating this up and getting it such a hot temperature, the cold air, the ambient air temperature creates oxidation so fast.
Oh.
It's like almost instant rusting.
That's what that chipping is when you
that's the carbon, and that's what rusts.
Wow.
And so when you're forge welding, you don't want that on there, otherwise you're going to create gaps in between your forge welds.
Oh.
And so you want to scale it off with borax or water.
Yeah.
Hammering water down on it. So like I should have some water right here.
I see.
Dip my hammer into it, and when I hit,
you need a bucket of water.
It breaks it. It breaks it up, so it doesn't get hammered back into.
You don't want that. That's that imperfection.
You don't want it hammered back into the metal.
No. You want me to get you a bucket of water then?
Yeah. Good. That's why I have this steel brush.
Oh, that's kind of like
scrape it off before I really do hammer down on it.
Gotcha.
When you're doing metalworks, rust and slag.
That's the worst.
Yeah. You want clean metal.
Yep, absolutely.
All right.
Nice. Might as well document some more.
Yeah. I got a little crack inclusion.
Oh, already. Where at?
Right there.
Oh, shit.
But that's okay. I'm just gonna cut it right here.
Yeah.
And then trim it out.
Oh.
I'm gonna cut that section out.
Oh, okay.
So I'm not too worried about it.
It cracked right in the perfect spot, huh?
Yeah, right
That's
where
good.
I edged it up, or
must have just been too much stress on the edge of the
that's
anvil.
what happens with high carbon steel.
Oh, yeah.
You know, temperatures and
Yeah.
so it's you know, good. I want to get it just about a ½ inch longer, and then I'll cut the section here. That'll get a good profile.
Nice.
And then so that way, even if I had the wood out right here,
Yeah. It'll still have enough bite.
yeah, it'll still have.
Cool, man.
You can see